Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Bitcoin dropping right now from 63 down to 62,600 on the news that apparently Iran is getting ready to attack Israel. People are chatting about it in the Telegram, and that's what opened the market with the drop. Huge volume on the American market open. 2.3 trillion market cap, 192,000 viewers on bitcoinprice.live. Bitcoin having this drop right now down to 63, and you can see everyone discussing this potential war in the Telegram and the market reacting badly. You get a 60k bonus when you sign up using this QR code. You can pause it and sign up and start trading on Bybit. Neutral 50, fear and greed on Bitcoin, 52% dominance. Funding fee almost going negative, 62,800. Bitcoin is fighting this 63k area with this potential war news. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're jumping in search for Bitcoin, and as soon as the American market opened, we just had this big drop. Tesla down 2.6%, which is weird. 2.7% drop on Tesla going into the 10th of the 10th announcement. The market just dropping on this Israel-Iran escalation with possible ballistic missile going to Israel, and that's what dropped the market right now. This Israel-Iran war conflict. And we're just getting red in the markets. Bitcoin dropping, Tesla dropping. Let's go into the charts for Bitcoin, 62,700. Let's start off on the weekly. We finished the monthly just yesterday, and the monthly candle finished with a bullish hammer candle for yesterday's month with good volume. Bull flag, cup and handle, as I talk about. Let's go into the weekly. On the weekly, still bull flag, still in this channel. Stochastic is turning down on the weekly, not beautiful. On the weekly chart, Stochastic is turning down right now. Crypto Guru Bot, Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy in February 2023 at 20k, still a blue buy now. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell everyone on this weekly candle. Stochastic is turning down, volume dropping off. Squeeze Mob is still going green. Let's go into the daily. On the daily, Bitcoin dropping on the open. It came down, activated the trade from earlier today, but again hit stop loss. Shit. It's not looking so beautiful, to be honest. This is a rising broadening wedge. Builds pressure, and they usually break down on rising broadening wedges. So not so beautiful. Major support is sitting at 61,200. Stochastic is coming down. That failing W formation, everyone. This is a W formation that should break out. Let's go into the 4-hourly. Bitcoin is breaking this trend line right now on this Israel war news. We had a bit of a bounce today from 62 to 64, and then again falling down to 63 on this escalation news. Not good. If you're going to try and take a long, I would do it from major support. This could get bad if the war escalates. Target, I would wait to try and get a trade at 60k if you're going to jump in. Wait till major support. We don't know how bad this war escalates and how bad the Bitcoin price drops in reaction. You're seeing Tesla drop 3%, Bitcoin drop. I would take this trade on Bitcoin, and I'd make a stronger stop loss now because it's spiking down a lot and then bouncing back. So people, very high liquidations. So I'll take it lower in case this escalation gets worse. Opening fifth, I would open at the major support, which would be, I would say, here. 60k is a psychological number. I would open at 59,800, stop loss at 58,500, risking $1,290 with a bigger stop loss to make $213. My target of the top of the bull run, 269,000, October 2025. But it can get choppy during this time. And again, this rising broadening wedge is breaking down. Usually it breaks down the base of the wedge. So if we get a fall here, and it looks like it's breaking down right now on this escalation news, if we measure it out, we could be going down to 58k. So I'd set the trade a little bit lower into there. Stop loss below. Make sure your stop loss is below 58k. That's the trade I'll take. 59,356, stop loss 57,970. Take profit 269. 154 risk to reward. Risking 1,386 to make 214,000. And again, Bitcoin is just dropping down here. Let's go closer. It's on the hourly. And you can see it breaking this main trend line, which is really not beautiful on this escalation. If this broadening wedge drops, prepare for under 59k. which will be not good for the markets because it was a big expectation. We should have broken out here. If it falls back below, even though it's a war escalation news, it's showing major weakness on Bitcoin. Let's jump into my trades and Ethereum. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the video. Down below, sign up to Bybit, get a 60,000 bonus. Take the course at jamescryptoguru.com. And CoinW is giving away $3,000 worth of deposit contest and win up to 3,000 USD, October 1st to October 31st. The link is in the description. This is the bonus amount. You can check it out. Let's go over into my Bybit. Taking a hit right now, 686. This week we went from 694 to 739 and then dropping back underneath. So it wiped out the gains from this week. Almost 40, what is that, 694. So 50, almost 50K worth of gains wiped out today, unfortunately. Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a bounce back, but this war escalation costing me a lot on this trade, unfortunately. This was my trades. I sold Bitcoin a few weeks ago in August at 65, bought it again at 52, and now we're back to 62. We were at 66. It would have been nice to close, to be honest. I wasn't expecting a drop with so many bullish patterns, but Bitcoin trade 39,700 profits. It was at 60K profit earlier a few days ago, but big drop. This is my breakdown of my account: 28% USDT, Doge 19%, Bitcoin 18%, MCRT 14%, Uni 8%, Ethereum 7%. This account 688. Jumping into Ethereum, and I want to do total market cap. Let's get more news. Ethereum coming down to 25,700, coming close to activating my trade at 2515. Symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly. On the weekly, we're pulling back to this 2-year trend line, this yellow trend line that goes back to September 2022, so 2 years. If you're going to try and, I would do it off this monthly major support here at 2515. This is the trade. Stop loss 2458, take profit 4,700 is where I would open the trade on Ethereum. But it does look like even Ethereum could possibly pull back to this yellow trend line, which has been the main one, 2288. Let's see how bad this war escalation gets. Let's look at the total. Look at that. Tesla down 3% with only 9 days remaining till the 10th of the 10th Robo Day on a massive symmetrical breakout. So the market is very panicking on this news of the Iran-Israel conflict, unfortunately. Join everyone in the Telegram. There's 583 of you. The link at jamescryptoguru.com. You can see people talking, discussing this military war, what's going on. Sharing charts. They're talking about the escalation. Iran expected to attack in a few hours, apparently. This is the news that is dropping the market, so you can join them and discuss. And those are the links down below. I'll keep it at that. I'll get this update quickly. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Make sure your stop loss is below 58K. We don't know how bad this escalation can get. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.